How the immune system actually works. The immune system is a remarkable, complex network of cells, tissues, and organs working together to defend the body against harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and toxins. Without this intricate defense mechanism, we would be extremely vulnerable to disease. Understanding how the immune system works offers insight into its powerful role in maintaining health and preventing illness. The first line of defense: innate immunity. The immune system consists of two main parts: innate immunity and adaptive immunity. Innate immunity is the body's initial, non-specific defense mechanism that kicks in immediately or within hours of detecting an invader. Physical and chemical barriers. The skin, mucous membranes, and secretions, like tears and saliva, act as physical and chemical barriers to prevent pathogens from entering the body. They form a physical shield, trapping and expelling foreign invaders. Skin. The skin's outer layer acts as a fortress, preventing pathogens from penetrating and causing infection. Mucous membranes. These line body cavities and trap invaders in mucus, which contains enzymes that destroy pathogens. Acidic secretions. The stomach's acidic environment kills most ingested pathogens. Cells of innate immunity. When a pathogen breaches these barriers, specialized cells known as phagocytes, like neutrophils and macrophages, quickly respond to eliminate it. Neutrophils. These are the first responders that move to the site of infection and engulf pathogens. Macrophages. They engulf and digest pathogens and alert other immune cells by releasing signaling molecules called cytokines. Natural killer, NK cells. NK cells detect infected or abnormal cells and destroy them by releasing toxic substances. Inflammation and fever. When pathogens invade, immune cells release chemicals that cause inflammation, a process that increases blood flow to the affected area, bringing more immune cells to fight off the infection. Fever can also be triggered, creating a less hospitable environment for pathogens by raising body temperature. The second line of defense: adaptive immunity. If the innate immune response is not enough to clear an infection, the adaptive immune system takes over. This system is slower to respond but much more specific, targeting particular pathogens. It also remembers these pathogens for faster responses in future encounters. Key players in adaptive immunity. Adaptive immunity relies on specialized lymphocytes, T cells and B cells, which are programmed to recognize specific pathogens. B cells. These cells produce antibodies that specifically target and neutralize invaders. When a B cell encounters a pathogen, it transforms into a plasma cell and starts generating antibodies tailored to bind to that pathogen. T cells. T cells come in different types. Helper T cells. These cells coordinate the immune response by activating other immune cells, including B cells and cytotoxic T cells. Cytotoxic T cells. These cells directly attack and destroy infected cells by releasing substances that break down the infected cell's membrane. Regulatory T cells. These help regulate or suppress the immune response, preventing it from attacking the body's own tissues. Autoimmunity. The role of antibodies. Antibodies are proteins that lock onto specific antigens, molecules on the surface of pathogens, to neutralize or mark them for destruction by other immune cells. Once the pathogen is neutralized, other immune cells engulf and destroy it. Memory cells and immunity. One of the most important features of adaptive immunity is its ability to remember pathogens. After an infection, some B and T cells become memory cells, which stay in the body long term. If the same pathogen re-enters, memory cells quickly recognize it, launching a faster and stronger immune response. This is the principle behind vaccines, which expose the immune system to a harmless part of the pathogen to create memory cells without causing illness. Communication between cells. Cytokines and chemokines. Cytokines and chemokines are chemical messengers that help immune cells communicate. Cytokines alert the immune system to pathogens, while chemokines attract immune cells to the site of infection. These molecules help coordinate the immune response, ensuring that cells reach infected or damaged areas and respond appropriately. When the immune system goes wrong, while the immune system usually works flawlessly, it can sometimes malfunction, leading to various health issues. Autoimmune diseases. The immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues, as seen in conditions like lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, and type 1 diabetes. Immunodeficiency disorders. In conditions like HIV/AIDS or genetic immunodeficiencies, the immune system's ability to fight infections is impaired, leaving the body more susceptible to diseases. Allergies. The immune system can overreact to harmless substances like pollen or pet dander, resulting in allergies and asthma. This occurs because the body treats these allergens as if they were dangerous invaders. Chronic inflammation. Sometimes the immune system remains activated even when there's no threat, leading to chronic inflammation that can contribute to diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. The future of immunology and immune therapies. Research in immunology is constantly evolving, leading to promising therapies for diseases once considered untreatable. Some advancements include cancer immunotherapy, treatments that enhance the immune system's ability to recognize and destroy cancer cells, are offering new hope in oncology. Autoimmune treatments. New therapies aim to retrain the immune system to stop attacking its own cells, providing relief for autoimmune diseases. Vaccines for emerging pathogens. The rapid development of vaccines, as seen with COVID-19, has shown how quickly the immune system can be primed against new diseases. Conclusion: the immune system's role in health. The immune system is an incredible defense network, tirelessly protecting the body from external threats. It works through a complex collaboration of cells, tissues, and signaling molecules, with innate immunity offering immediate protection and adaptive immunity providing a targeted response. When working correctly, the immune system can fend off countless diseases, but when it malfunctions, it can lead to serious health problems. Understanding the immune system and supporting its functions through nutrition, exercise, and avoiding immune suppressors like excessive stress can play a vital role in maintaining long-term health. The immune system remains a focus of scientific research, promising exciting developments that could further strengthen our defenses and improve quality of life for people worldwide.